Best computer programming languages to learn in 2025. We are going to give summary of these languages one by one. Number one, general purpose programming, Python. Why? Easy to learn, versatile, rich libraries, use cases, artificial intelligence slash machine learning, data analysis, web development, scripting, popular frameworks slash tools, Django Flask, NumPy, TensorFlow. This is a very easy to learn language, but very important for many purposes. So, if you want to excel in general language, you must learn these languages. Another is Java. Why? Platform independent, widely used in enterprise solution use cases, Android development, web application, large scale systems, popular frameworks slash tools, Spring, Hibernate. C++ why high performance control over hardware use cases, game development, embedded system, performance critical apps. Second category is web development. Here, first language is JavaScript. Why? Essential to front end development. Use cases, websites, single page applications, popular frameworks slash tools, React, Angular, Node.js, TypeScript. Why? Type safe version of JavaScript better for larger projects. Use cases, scalable web apps, popular frameworks tools, Angular, Nest.js. PHP, another web development language. Why? Server-side scripting for web development. Use cases, content management system is WordPress. Ruby. Why? Focus on developer happiness and simplicity. Use cases, web apps, popular frameworks slash tools. Ruby on Rails. It is an important language to learn for web development. Third category is mobile development. Kotlin. Why? Official language for Android. Use case Android app development. Swift. Why? Native iOS slash Mac OS apps. Use cases iPhone, iPad, and Mac application. Dot. Why? Modern easy to learn language for cross-platform apps. Use cases mobile and web apps. Popular frameworks slash tools. Flutter. These are all languages are very important for mobile development programming. Fourth category, artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. Number one, once again, Python. Why? Most popular language for AI slash ML due to extensive libraries. Use cases AI, machine learning, natural language processing, data science. Popular framework slash tools, PyTorch, TensorFlow, Scikit-learn. This is a very important language for AI and machine learning, and future of AI is very promising. Or language, why? Designed for statistical computing, use cases, data and analysis, visualization. And Julia, why? High performance for numerical and scientific computing, use cases, computational science, AI research. These both languages are very important for data analysis, data interpretation, visualization purpose, science, computational, computational science, AI research. System program, fifth category, C. Why? Foundational language with close to hardware capabilities. Use cases, operating systems, embedded system, hardware programming. Rust, another language. Why? Safe and modern alternative to C, C++. Use cases, system programming, performance, critical software. Very important uh, language for system programming, hardware programming. Sixth category is game development. C++, Y, high performance, widely used in game engines, use cases, 3D game, high performance gaming applications, popular engines, Unreal engines. C Sharp, Y, official language for Unity, use cases, cross-platform games, virtual reality slash augmented reality AR applications. These are both very important language for game development purpose. Seventh category, DevOps and cloud computing. Golang. Why? Lightweight, fast concurrency support. Use cases cloud computer and microservices bash. Why? Scripting for automation. Use cases shell scripting, server management. These both languages are mandatory to excel in the DevOps and cloud computing field. Eighth category, data engineering and big data. First, SQL, structured query language. Why? Essential for database management. Use cases, relational database querying data. Scala. Why? Used with Apache Spark for big data processing. Use cases, big data application, distributed computing. These languages are very important to learn if you want to excel in the field of data engineering and big data. Ninth category, cybersecurity. Python. Why? Automation, penetration testing tool. Use cases, writing exploits, cybersecurity tools. C. Why? Understanding system level security. Use cases, vulnerability research, low level programming, just like hardware language. Hardware language programming is a C. So that's it for all these categories. We have mentioned nine categories and accordingly languages. All these programming are very important, so languages are very important. So BITS Bukhari Information Technology System is an online platform to deliver online courses. We have already introduced few courses. Now we will also introduce a few languages courses in the future as well. If you have interest in these languages when these courses will be launched, you can contact us at our WhatsApp number 032059664143, 032059664143, and in future keep in touch.